nice ass night out tonight. My F1, hurry up, my F1. Gosh. Oh my. There we go. Gosh, they literally got speed bumps in the middle of the road. It's kind of crazy. Another one, damn it. Go crazy. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Dang it. Feels amazing. Feels amazing. I don't know if you guys know this, but this is like a good 20 feet drop right there. So if you actually end up messing up out here, ooh-wee, your car and you might be gone. Let's just be real. Right here, there's a guardrail. There's no guardrail. And like I said, that's a good 20 feet drop right there. With no railing. Just to give you guys perspective, no railing. Guardrail, nice views. We can almost say, dunzo. We'll call it dunzo. But hey, super nice night out tonight. Super nice, man. My gosh. Beautiful night out tonight. Sun's just going down. Man, I hope you guys are loving these POVs, man, because I definitely enjoy making them. I just gotta be, strategic on where I go, because I know what you guys want to see, and not everywhere I can't be doing what y'all want to see. So like certain, like downtown and heavily populated areas, gotta be smooth, guys. If you guys have a fast car, you guys gotta be smooth. That's all I gotta say. You guys gotta be smooth. You can't be going crazy anywhere. You gotta pick and choose when you do it, how you do it, and all the above. Because, I mean, someone who doesn't know how to drive, and you give them this car, take off traction control, man, oh yeah. I don't even know what would happen. I literally don't. But there's a few things I can think of. So definitely be safe out there, guys. Definitely don't be doing nothing crazy, you know, in heavily populated areas. If you guys are gonna mess around with a car, definitely go in not super dense population. So, but man, they be getting super hot under the car or under the engine bay, because that top mount literally brings so much heat to the top of the motor. But I actually had a hood for this, but I ended up selling it. But I'm actually gonna get a new hood. The hood I bought didn't fit right, so it was a full carbon hood. I don't know if you guys saw my previous video of me buying all this stuff for the car. I had a carbon hood, and oh damn, that's a Hawk. That looks super nice. But yeah, it didn't fit nice, so I sold it to somebody for a plug. For a plug too, and I'm honestly kind of like, I probably should have kept it for how much I didn't plug him too much, but I plugged him. But man, that's gonna end off this video, guys. Stay tuned, more content's on the way. Just know we're coming back to back with these POVs, so stay tuned. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.